Look at what's happened here.
The enemy must be stopped here.
Commence mission. Iron Rain. Hexaquark cannon, prepare to fire. Target the mega giant creature Raznid.
Roger. Release safety lock. Transfer all onboard energy to the Hexaquark collider. Rubino, bow open. Moving cannon to firing position.
Energy charge at 100%. Alignment adjusted. The trigger is yours, Commander.
Roger.
Larvae are gathering, as expected.
No turning back now. All units, brace yourselves. Hexaquark cannon, fire! Did we do it?
No! Target is still alive.
Let's fire the cannon again! Recharge it now!
The cannon is cooling. Initiating Hexaquark collider recharge.
Disable the auto-defense system and concentrate all energy into the collider.
Do it! We won't last long either way!
It's your call, Commander. Do it! I put this ship and the future of humanity into Blastine's hands!
Its horn's bent. Though not a direct hit, it appears to be taking damage.
Raznid appears to be damaged. Aim for the flashing red injured areas. Even standard weapons might do it.
All units, aim for its injured areas. The area's flashing in red.
What are you?
It's staggered! It's working! It's staggered! It's working!
There's another!
All right, fire!
Raznid down.
Oh yeah, that's a hit!
Energy recharge at 30%. and much more. Energy recharge at 50%.
Dave, give me the operations for the sub-A circuit. If we optimize it and disable either the red or blue cord...
Careful! Cutting the wrong cord will reverse the energy flow and blow us up!
Yeah, I know that. I believe it was the red cord.
It's the blue cord!
Ah, right. Do you have this?
Amazing. Energy circulation is maximizing. Efficiency increased by 25%.
Whew. Well, my work is done. Let's hope the hardware can take it.
Energy recharge at 70%. Energy recharge at 97, 98, 99. Recharge complete.
Can we fire?
No! The calibration system has shut down due to energy overload. We can't control it.
What? I guess the load was too heavy. How about firing manually from the maintenance hatch?
Even then, we don't have enough energy.
Closer, head to the maintenance hatch on the bow. Your Type S gear may be able to make up for the energy we're lacking.
Our hands are full here. Closer, go!
We'll back you up.
Closer has reached the console, providing operational support.
Connecting operation system to vehicle.
All right, console has loaded with the Type S gear.
Overdrive activated.
Yeah! This is our last shot. It's in your hands.
Stay calm, Closer. If anyone can do this. Direct hit on Rasnid.
Yes!
Good work, Closer. We did it! We beat Rasnid!
We did it. Finally. We really won, Z-Son?
Closer! I love
did
ya!
Hold on. Detecting a strong aggressor signal from above. It's...
Hivecraft!
What's it doing here? It is a control beam? What do these aggressors think they're doing?
No! Rasnid's life signal is increasing rapidly.
What?
Is that Rasnid?
Ooh, what a terrible creature! It's like it came straight from hell!
This isn't good.
Damn it! Dodge!
We can't. Navigation is down from the energy overload.
All units abandon ship! Hurry to the escape ships!
Ah! Closer, do you copy? Closer, do you copy? Whoa. We're alive. Is everyone alive?
Yes, barely.
Maeve! Who's that?
Someone's still fighting?
Closer. You're kidding me, right? 2 Hivecrafts?
Last team? Is everyone all right?
Maeve?
What about you? You alright?
Yes, more or less.
We're transmitting from a rescue ship.
Commander, you made it too.
This is Victoria. Blast team, do you copy?
Victoria, are you alright?
Yeah, somehow. I gathered all the vehicles I could.
This is Gale 3, dropping vehicles.
Victoria, Matilda, thank you.
This is for our friends. Take it, Blast team!
I don't care about my little vehicles. Just don't you die on me.
Worst feeling ever. Chances of winning is a fat 0.
Brenda here. Take care not to fire on your allies. This closer fights from the heart.
Whoa! Look at that gnarly beast! Was it Halloween today?
Large energy signal from Ravnid.
Let's get out of here now!
Everyone okay?
Medic! Medic! Damn it! What the hell? We're counting on you, Closer. Hey, you alright? Blast team, this is Adele.
We're hanging in there.
So the rebels made it too?
Come on, Adele. My squad will lead.
Got it!
Destruction.
This is Marcus. Lightning 3. I'm heading over right now. I'll drop the energy cores to your location.
Whew! Do we need them? This is the real deal right here. Initiate counteroffensive.
PA gear.
EDF!
At this rate, Portland might be wiped out. I wanted to go to Mount Hood after wiping out the aggressors.
Ravnid's aggressor signal is dropping rapidly.
Was that Closer?
The Hivecraft, something's happening.
Almost forgot about those.
I can't fight no more. Clean out of energy and ammo. They're leaving? What the?
Hivecraft signal's lost.
The sunrise. Did we win? The Hivecrafts are gone. We scared them off.
What the? I will broadcast the communications. The Ravagers around the world have stopped.
It lost control when the Hivecraft left.
We did it! Woo-ha! They up and ran home to mommy.
The EDF. Us humans. We won?
Yes, we did.
This is UNN, Universal News Network. Finally, we humans have won. The EDF exterminated the mega-giant creature Raznid and successfully fought off the Hivecrafts. The aggressors have left Earth. Ravagers left behind around the world have stopped. Many giant creatures are headed for extinction due to the successive cold fronts.
Our brave EDF soldiers and members of the rebellion, thank you for everything you have done. As a citizen of Earth, I would like to offer you my respect and gratitude for your courage, and my prayers for the many fighters who lost their lives during this war. Over the last 12 years, the aggressors threatened our peace time and time again. Someday, they may even return. And mankind will need to fight again. But, as long as we work together, hand in hand, I believe that there will come a day when we'll have no fear of the aggressors, and our world can live in peace.